Yon, kamusta mga boss? Welcome back po muli dito sa ating munting channel, ang Kanta Kwento. Meron nga tayong re-reactionan. Meron nga tayong muling re-reactionan dito mga kwento galing kay FaceX TV na ang title is Jerome Eberdome Shocks Britain's Got Talent. So thank you muna sa mga content creator na to na talagang todo edit, suporta effort sa support kay Sir Jerome Eberdome sa paggagawa ng mga content. So eto, yun nga, base sa kanyang title is Jerome Eberdome Shocks Britain Got Talent? Question mark yan. So panoorin natin to ng sabay-sabay mga kwento sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood nito, at sa mga nakapanood na, samahan nyo po ako dito, no? Okay. Pero bago yan, hingin ko muna ang inyong like, share, and subscribe dito sa ating munting channel. At comment nyo rin kung taga saan kayo para malaman natin kung hanggang saan nakakarating ang video or kwento natin ito. So let's go, wag na nga natin patagalin pa. So yun, ito medyo ano to, FaceX TV, no? Subscribe nyo to si FaceX TV. So FaceX TV, pahiram mo na ng video na to. Let's play.
What if one of the Philippines' most entertaining performers stepped onto one of the biggest stages in the world?
My name is Elvis Presley, I'm the king of rock and roll. My name is Elvis Presley, I'm the king of rock and roll.
Ganda ng ano, ganda ng edit. Kala mo talaga totoo. So let's go. Tingnan natin mga sasabihin niya sa rito.
Elvis Presley, I'm the king of rock and roll. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
What if Jerome Everdome joined Britain's Got Talent? Would the British audience love him, or would they completely reject him? Today we're going to imagine the impossible. A
Feeling ko hindi naman nire-reject, no? Hindi rin natin alam kung ano. Siyempre, nasa mata pa rin ng mga judge, nasa pandinig at nasa kung paano nila maaurahan si Sir Jerome niyan, no? So, wala makakasagot niyan kundi pag hindi sinubukan, no?
Filipino performer, a massive international stage, millions of viewers watching, and one question: can Jerome Everdome actually survive Britain's Got Talent? Because let's be honest, Britain's Got Talent is not easy. The judges are brutally honest. The audience can turn against you in seconds. And even talented performers sometimes fail under.
May sumali na palang Elvis sa Britain's Got Talent, no? Elvis yung niya, costume. Umayo pa sa
Because I love you too much, baby.
grabe na ex.
What do I do now? It's a bit awkward now, isn't it?
But Jerome is different. He has charisma.
Yung kanina kasi parang papatawa lang ata.
And I can do so much for you. Still more.
Ito yung concert to.
He has confidence.
I just never took the time. You're always on my mind.
He has stage presence.
Knock and the door shall be open.
Parang ito yung suot nung kanina no? Yung nabusa kanina.
And you will find I'll be waiting there with my arms unfurled.
And most importantly, he knows how to entertain people.
And I guess I never told you.
Sa pagdating sa entertain pa lang, ito talaga live na ko napanood yan. Sir Jerome, sobrang yan. Kala mo talaga nag-iibang anyo pag nandun na sa stage, at sobrang galing niya makapag-interact sa mga audience.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy that you're mine.
So today we're breaking down exactly what could happen if Jerome Everdome walks into the Britain's Got Talent auditions. Would he become viral worldwide? Would Simon Cowell love him? Or would this become one of the most shocking auditions ever? Let's find out.
Yeah.
Face X TV.
Subscribe, FaceX TV.
This video is purely fictional and created for entertainment purposes only.
Yeah.
The scenes, events, and outcomes shown in this video are imaginary scenarios based on the idea of what could happen if Jerome Everdome joined Britain's Got Talent. This is not official footage, not affiliated with Britain's Got Talent, and does not represent real events or real participation. All edits,
So, talagang
visuals,
ano lang
and
to, ha?
storytelling
Sa mga ulitin ko yung sinabi ni FaceX TV. Fictional lang to. Gawa-gawa niya lang to. Kumbaga imaginary lang, ha? Kung sakaling magjo-join sa Britain's Got Talent.
are
Okay?
fan-made and intended solely for creative entertainment.
Face
go.
X TV.
Imagine this.
Yeah.
Jerome Everdome arrives in London. Nobody in Britain really
You
knows
know? Sa London na si Sir Jerome. Galing naman ng nito. Ganda ng kanyang visualization. Play.
who he is. To them, he's just another contestant. But for Filipino fans, this is history. Because very few Filipino performers have ever made a major impact on Britain's Got Talent. And Jerome entering that stage would immediately create curiosity. The moment he walks out, people would notice him. Why? Because Jerome has a unique aura. He doesn't look nervous. He looks confident. He looks ready. And confidence matters a lot on BGT. The judges immediately start asking questions. Where are you from? What inspired you to join? What kind of act are you doing tonight? And Jerome answers proudly, I came from the Philippines.
Grabe, talagang ano pala to, scene by scene ang ginawa ni FaceX. Pamakpakan natin. Pati yung mga question nung ayos ha.
And I want to show the world Filipino talent. Boom. Instant audience support. Because BGT audiences love underdog stories, especially international contestants chasing impossible dreams. Now here's where things get interesting. The crowd still doesn't know if Jerome is actually good, but they become emotionally invested. And emotionally invested audiences are powerful. Now let's talk about Jerome's biggest challenge. Not talent, not singing, not performance. The real challenge is this. British audiences are very hard to impress.
Yan, ito. Sabi rito, mahirap to pala ma-impress sa mga Britain, mga audience dito sa Britain's Got Talent. Ito talaga ang pinaka challenge daw na magiging makakaharap ni Sir Jerome, no, kung sakali.
And Simon Cowell, he has seen everything. Thousands of singers, thousands of entertainers, thousands of performers trying to go viral. So Jerome cannot just be good. He needs to be memorable. That's the difference. If Jerome performs like a
Ayun, so tulad nga, sabi nga si Sir Jerome, dapat hindi lang magaling, dapat maging memorable. Kumbaga, tatatak. No? Tatatak sa audience at sa mga, syempre sa judge na rin, no? Ayun yung kailangan. Hindi lang basta magaling ka.
normal contestant, he gets eliminated. Simple as that. But if he performs with personality, now things change. Because Jerome's biggest weapon is not just vocals. It's charisma.
Charisma.
People naturally look at him. That matters on television, especially in talent shows. Now imagine Jerome choosing a legendary song. Maybe something emotional, maybe something powerful, or maybe even an Elvis-inspired performance. And suddenly, the audience starts reacting. Not because the performance is perfect, but because it's entertaining. And entertainment is everything on Britain's Got Talent. Remember, the show is not called Britain's Best Singer. It's called Britain's Got Talent. That means uniqueness matters more than perfection. And Jerome has unique
Yun. Ayun ang ano rito eh. Hindi lang kasi ano tong Britain's Got Talent, mga kakwento, mga ka-Jeromatics. Hindi lang siya puro kantahan eh. Hindi lang talaga pagalingan. Kailangan unique at memorable nga. Ika nga ni FaceX TV. Kailangan maging ano to, si Sir Jerome dito, magpakita ng uniqueness at memorable performance, no? Which is, meron naman siya nun. Kaso talagang mahirap to dahil marami siyang kalaban dito kung sakali man.
uniqueness. Now let's discuss the moment everyone would wait for.
Yeah.
Simon Cowell's reaction. Because Simon can destroy a performance with one sentence. If Simon looks bored, it's over. If Simon stops paying attention,
So, itong Simon na to, masyadong mahigpit to. Pag napabilib mo naman to, ay talaga namang alam mo na ang kakahantungan mo. Pero pag ito na boring daw talaga, is X, ha? Asahan mo na.
it's over. But if
Over.
Simon leans forward, that means something special is happening. And honestly, I think Jerome would surprise Simon. Not because Jerome is the greatest singer ever, but because Simon respects performers who know how to command a stage. Jerome has that natural confidence, and confidence is rare. Most contestants walk onto BGT terrified. Jerome feels like someone who would enjoy the pressure.
Kiss me quick while we still have this feeling.
Kiss me wet.
Hold me close and never let me go.
Now imagine halfway through the performance, the audience starts clapping. The judges start smiling, and Simon suddenly gives that famous smirk. That would be a huge moment, because Simon loves contestants who are marketable, and Jerome has something important, star energy.
So, sinasabi ni FaceX dito na possible at na talaga mapansin ni Simon Cowell nga to si Jerome, no? So, syempre, masasagot lang yan. Sabi ko nga, pagka na-try. At feeling ko, meron din naman talagang ano dito eh, kumbaga, shock factor kay Sir Jerome Bardome. Kaya niya pang higitan kung ano yung mga napakita niya nitong mga last. Lalo na sa The Clones, no? Feeling ko lang. Kaya maganda dito, may pag-asa, no? Palakpakan na. May pag-asa.
You can't teach that. Either you have it or you don't. Would Simon call Jerome perfect? Probably not. Would Simon say he's interesting? Absolutely. And on a show like BGT, interesting contestants survive longer than technically perfect contestants.
His men say only fools run. Fly and leave just hurting. Kiss me quick because I love you so, love you so, love you so. Oh, let the band keep playing. All I dream of is your eyes. All I long
Gaganda
for
naman.
is your touch.
Subscribe nyo to si FaceX TV. Ang galing niya mag-edit. Ang ganda niya magpasok ng mga word at ng mga song na ano, mga compilation ni Sir Jerome. Ang galing.
And something tells me that's enough.
Now imagine this audition gets uploaded online.
Yeah.
Everything changes. Because once the internet gets involved, anything can happen. Filipino fans around the world would immediately support Jerome. The comment sections would explode. People would say, "Finally, Filipino talent on the world stage." Others would compare his charisma to legendary entertainers.
FaceX TV.
Yeah. Meron.
So, can Jerome Everdome survive Britain's Got Talent? My answer, yes.
Ako rin yes sa audition. No? Sa audition, kaya makakapasa ni Sir, ano dyan. So nga lang talaga, hindi natin pwede baliwalain yung mga magiging kalaban niya dyan. No? At magiging kondisyon niya during dyan. Pero, para sa akin, kaya ipasa ni Sir Jerome na sa audition. No?
But not because it would be easy. It would actually be extremely difficult. The judges are tough. The competition is brutal. And international audiences are unpredictable. But Jerome has something many contestants don't have. Presence. The moment he
Charisma.
walks on stage, people pay attention, and that alone gives him a chance. Would he win the entire competition? That's hard to predict.
Yeah.
But could he become viral worldwide? Absolutely. Could he shock the judges? Definitely. Could he make the Philippines proud? Without question. Because whether people love him or criticize him, one thing is certain. People would remember Jerome Everdome. And
Yeah.
sometimes, being
Hindi man makamit ni Sir Jerome kung sakaling sasali siya dyan yung talagang grand winner. Hindi man. Pero, masyashock niya ang buong mundo sa kanyang audition. Kasi karamihan naman ganun, no? Hindi man nagcha-champion, pero nagba-viral. Dahil sa audition na performance or ano, di ba? Tama. So, meron namang ganung shock value si Sir Jerome.
unforgettable is more powerful
Yeah.
than winning.
Yes.
But now I want to hear from you.
Galing. Unforgettable is ulit.
Unforgettable is more powerful than winning.
More powerful than winning. Galing niya, Page 60. Baga talaga nga, mas nanalo ka nga, hindi ka naman naaalala. Diba? May mga ganun, champion ka nga, hindi ka na naaalala, mas naaalala pa yung iba sa'yo na mga hindi nag-champion. Garang ganun.
But now I want to hear from you.
What do you think?
Do you think Jerome Everdome could survive Britain's Got Talent? Would Simon Cowell support him? Or would the pressure be too much? Comment your thoughts below.
Yeah.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe,
Subscribe.
and turn on notifications for more Jerome Everdome content. This is Face X TV, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah. So yun, ano masasabi niyo dyan mga kwento? Ang dami niyang tanong na iniwan sa atin. Palagay niyo ba makukonvince si Sir Jerome Everdome ang ating
Face X
si Simon Cowell at makakapag-iwan kaya siya ng unforgettable performance na magiging viral. So lahat yan masasagot lang natin yan bilang isang tagahanga. Nasa palagay lang natin, no? So, kung anong palagay nyo, hindi pa naman nangyayari yan. Kumbaga, pinag-iisipan pa lang natin or ini-imagine pa lang natin. At sana nga magkaroon ng pagkakataon maging si Sir Jerome. Comment nyo sa baba kung ano yung mga kasagutan nyo dyan, mga kwento, mga ka-Jeromantics. Kita-kita tayo dyan sa comment section at don't forget subscribe FaceX TV. At syempre, kung nagustuhan nyo ang kanyang mga prediction, mga imagination about kay Sir Jerome, subscribe kayo dito sa ating channel, Kanta Kwento YouTube channel. At i-comment nyo na rin kung taga saan kayo para malaman natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang video nating ito. Maraming salamat at sa mga nagtiyagang manood dito sa ating reaction dito. Maraming salamat mga kwento. Kita-kita sa comment section. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Muli, ito ang Kanta Kwento na nagsabing, mabuhay ang talentong Pilipino. Let's clap our hands and see you on the next vlog. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
King of the Day, Father and Son, a Legacy of Music. Mga ka-Jeromantics, kita-kits tayo sa darating na June 20, Paddy's Point, San Pedro, Laguna, near at Robinson Galleria. Ang ating magnetic icon, Elvis ng Pinas, Jerome Everdome, ay may gaganaping concert, 4 p.m. hanggang 7 p.m. Dito nga ay makakasama niya rin ang Freddie Mercury clone na si Stephen JC at iba pang surprise guest performer. Kaya ano bang hinihintay nyo? Ka-Jeromantics, grab your ticket now. Please contact on Facebook, Christina Ignacio or Det Ignacio, 0992-110-9614. See you there, mga ka-Jeromantics. Alright, rock and roll!
You know I can't live